Here is a fun but simple card that I just made with the adorable Jungle Pals stamp set along with the coordinating dies. Now, this stamp set and dies are some of the freebies that you can get during Sale-a-bration 2024. For every $50 in purchase you spend, you can choose freebies from our Sale-a-bration catalog. Now, you can look at all the different items that are in this catalog on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and this little Jungle Pals set is one of them. And I just look how cute that is. These sloths are adorable. So I just stamped them with my black Memento ink pad and then colored them in with my blends. And this blend here is called a color lifter, and it kind of erases any little areas that you might have gone out of the lines. It's really cool. Now I am cutting it out with the coordinating dies, and then I'll just put together the card. It's really a pretty simple card, but it's just fun. So I made a background here with just my basic white cardstock, and then I'm using a blending brush to sponge on the background. So I just used the balmy blue ink and just swirled around until I got it the color that I wanted it. And now I will put the card together. So I'll have this card on my website if you want to go and check it out at madetocreatewithlisa.com. I will have the close-up pictures and you can see all the links so that you can see all the different items. Now see, these are the little jungle vines that I die cut out with a couple different colors of greens, and then we glued it together. I hope you like this card. It was a lot of fun to make. It was inspired out of one of the cards that's actually in the Sale-a-bration catalog itself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like this post and share it with your friends. Have a wonderful day.